Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome to back another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make slow motion video in iPhone, how to record slow motion video in iPhone. So guys, first of all, just click top on setting button and scroll down scroll down and click on the camera button. So guys, just here is record slow mo, just click on 1080p. So now keep normal photo turn off. So just go back and click on the camera button. So here's the slow-mo video. So guys, as you can see, just click on record. So guys, as you can see, here's slow-mo. So you can slow-mo from here. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more videos.